Ever wonder what books the world's richest and most successful people are reading? Today, I'm taking you through the personal book recommendations of 16 billionaires, including Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Oprah Winfrey. These are the books that shaped their success, and they might just inspire you too. Let's dive right in. First up, Elon Musk, the man behind Tesla and SpaceX. Musk is known for his big ideas, and here are two books that have shaped his thinking. One is The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. Musk says this funny sci-fi book taught him not to take things too seriously and to always look for new possibilities. He mentioned this during an interview on the Joe Rogan Experience and in a Reddit AMA. Another important book for Musk is Structures, or Why Things Don't Fall Down by J.E. Gordon. This book helped him learn the basics of engineering, and he mentioned it in an interview with KCRW. Next is Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. Bezos Loves the Remains of the Day by Kazuo Ishiguro, a story about reflection and leadership. He's talked about this book in interviews with Newsweek and in shareholder letters. He also recommends Built to Last by Jim Collins and Jerry Porras, a book about how companies can last for a long time. Bezos has discussed this book in his interview with Inc. Moving on to Larry Ellison, the co-founder of Oracle. He recommends The Art of War by Sun Tzu, a classic book on strategy. He's mentioned this in interviews with Forbes and public speeches about business competition. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, is an avid reader. He recommends Factfulness by Hans Rosling, which he reviewed on his blog Gates Notes. Gates calls it one of the most important books he's ever read because it gives a hopeful view of the world. Another favorite of his is The Better Angels of Our Nature by Steven Pinker. Gates wrote a detailed review of this book on Gates Notes, praising its insights into how violence has decreased over time. Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors ever, has a must-read for anyone who wants to learn about investing, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Buffett has discussed this book many times, including in interviews with CNBC and at Berkshire Hathaway's shareholder meetings. He also loves Business Adventures by John Brooks, a collection of business stories. Buffett recommended this book to Bill Gates, who shared the story on his blog Gates Notes. Google co-founder Larry Page is inspired by creativity and problem solving. He recommends Surely You're Joking, Mr. Feynman by Richard P. Feynman, a funny and inspiring read. He's mentioned it in interviews, including in his Stanford commencement speech. Another key book for him is The Innovator's Dilemma by Clayton Christensen, which he's discussed in interviews with Wired and Fast Company. And that's it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive into the book recommendations of more billionaires like Mark Zuckerberg and Sergey Brin. You won't want to miss it.